Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is DJ's Maths and Further Maths Adventures. In today's presentation, we'll be looking at question from JAMB 1978, question number 22 and question number 30. Join me as we solve this together. Question 22 reads, the minimum point on the curve y equals to x squared minus 6x plus 5 is at what? Question mark. The minimum point will occur at what point? Okay? Then question 30, a regular hexagon is constructed inside a circle of diameter 12 cm. The area of the hexagon is what? So let's look at how we can solve this. Solution to 22. Okay, the minimum point at minimum point minimum point, change in y with respect to change in x is 0. In other words, at turning point, change in y with respect to change in x is 0. So your quadratic equation can be in U shape, which the parabola can be like this. When a is greater than 0, the minimum point will occur at this point. We can either have U shape. The maximum point will occur at this point when a is less than 0. When in your parabola so that a is less than 0, maximum point will occur at this point. The minimum point will occur at this point. So it means, let's write down the function. We have y, x squared minus 6x plus 5. Change in y now with respect to change in x will be we differentiate this function with respect to x. So we use the general formula of differentiation. X squared, when we differentiate x squared, we have 2x minus, when we differentiate 6x, we have 6. Of course, when we differentiate a constant is 0. The derivative of a constant plus 5 now will be 0. We are told that at minimum point, change in y with respect to change in x is 0. So it means we have 2x minus 6 will be equals to 0. So we can add 6 to both sides so that we can find the value of x. This will be 2x equals to 6. We divide both sides by 2. X now will be 3. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 3. Our x is 3. But we are looking for the y value that minimum point occur. So to find the y minimum value now, we substitute x equals to 3 into the original function, which is y equals to x squared minus 6x plus 5. Okay, this will be y now equals to, anywhere we see x, we put 3. This will be 3 all squared minus 6 into 3 plus 5. Y now will be 9 minus 18 plus 5. Of course, we have to follow the rules of BODMAS. We add, that is 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 minus 18, of course, is minus 4. Therefore, the minimum point now, the minimum point of y is equals to y equals to minus 4 at x equals to 3. So this is the solution to the first question, 22. So let's move to number 30 now. Let's click here so that we can move to number 30. Question 30 now. The question read, a regular hexagon, that's all the sides are equal, hexagon, 6-sided polygon, is constructed inside a circle of diameter 12 cm. The area of the hexagon is what? What will be the area of the hexagon? Solution to 30 now. Area of a hexagon is given as a now, that's 3r squared n divided by 4 root 3, where r is the radius, n is the number of sides, and this is 6-sided polygon. From the question, our n is 6, r, which is the radius now, is half of the diameter. That will be 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So we can find the area now. Area A now will be 3 times 6 squared times n, which is our 6, divided by 4 root 3. A now will be 3 times 6 squared, of course, is 36, times 6 divided by 4 root 3. The area A now will be 3 times 6 is 18. 18 times 36. Let's do it here. 36 times 18. This is 48. Put 8, carry 4. 24, which is 28. 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 3, 3. This will be 8, 4. So we have 6, 4, 8. This will be 6, 4, 8 divided by 4 root 3. We can reduce this. 4 here, 1, 4 here, 1, remainder 2. 4 into 24 is 6, 4 into 8 is 2. This will be 162 divided by root 3. So at this point, we can rationalize this. We multiply this by root 3, we multiply this by root 3. This will be 162 root 3. Root 3 times root 3, of course, that's root 9, which is 3, divided by 3. This will be equals to, can we reduce this? Let's check if we can reduce this. 3 here, 1. 3 into 16, of course, is 5. Remainder 1. 3 into 12 is 4. So we have 54 root 3. So 54 root 3 will be the area. And see, the unit here is centimeter. This will be centimeter square. So this will be the area of the hexagon. Thank you for watching. Do share this to your learned colleagues.